second part of this video of chapter addition, and for today the topic is word problems. Children, word problems are nothing but the statement sums. जब क्वेश्चन हमें एक वर्ड फॉर्म में दिया होता है और उसको हम सिंपल लैंग्वेज में अपनी स्टेटमेंट में उसको हम प्रेजेंट करते हैं, उसको बोलते हैं वर्ड प्रॉब्लम, स्टेटमेंट सम्स. ओके चिल्ड्रन, नाउ लेट्स बिगिन. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज Monica had rupees 2,183 in her bank account. She again deposited rupees 1,345. What is the amount in Monica's bank account now? Children, whenever we have to do the statement sum, first of all we have to understand the क्वेश्चन विच इज गिवन. जो क्वेश्चन हमें दिया पहले उसको समझो कि उन्होंने बोला क्या है. मोनिका के पास उसके अकाउंट में इतने पैसे थे, 2,183 थे. उसने शी अगेन डिपॉजिटेड, उसने इतने और डिपॉजिट करवाए. मीनिंग ऑफ डिपॉजिट जमा करवाना, और जमा करवाए. What is the amount in Monica's bank account now? Children, there are two forms of writing the statement. One, as it is you can write which is given in the question form, or you can change according what you want to write. जो आप लिखना चाहते हो उसको सिंपल लैंग्वेज में वो भी लिख सकते हो. पहले मैं आपको वो स्टाइल बताऊंगी जो आप एज इट इज देख के लिखते हो. मोनिका हैड रुपीज 2,183 इन हर बैंक अकाउंट. तो बच्चे जो अमाउंट होती है उस अमाउंट को हम इक्वल टू के राइट हैंड साइड पे लिखते हैं. बाकी एज इट इज हम लिख सकते हैं लाइक मोनिका हैड अमाउंट. ओके, मोनिका के पास कितनी अमाउंट थी? वी कैन राइट रुपीज 2,183. and make sure when you are writing, write one digit in one box. It's very important, children. Then second line is she again deposited, that is rupees 1,345. now the last line is what is the amount in Monica's bank account now? Children, don't write this word what is. What is the question? We have to give the answer. So we can write amount now in Monica's account, or you can write, or simple you can write, children, total amount. Now children, this is the statement part. Now come to the solution. First of all, children, how you will come to know this is the question of plus and minus or multiply or division, children? Yes, this is chapter addition, and all of you know that this will be the question of addition. But children, in exams you will get the mixed statement, so you should have the knowledge how we will come to know whether this question is of addition or subtraction or multiplication or whatever it is. Okay, how children, whenever these type of question, I told you in previous video also, you just break down it into the smaller digit. बड़े नंबर को छोटे में करके पहले अपना आंसर निकाल लो, फिर देखो कि आपने उसमें प्लस किया था, माइनस किया था या मल्टीप्लाई किया था. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं सिर्फ फर्स्ट डिजिट लूंगी. ठीक है, मोनिका के पास रुपीज 2 थे उसके अकाउंट में, विच इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल. आई एम टेकिंग दिस एग्जाम्पल जस्ट टू मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड. ओके, मोनिका के पास उसके अकाउंट में 2 रुपीज़ थे और उसने दोबारा से फिर से उसने 1 रुपी डिपॉजिट करवाया. अब उसके अकाउंट में कितने रुपये हुए? 3. तो आपने 2 को 1 से क्या किया कि आंसर 3 आया? प्लस किया. ओके, सो इन दिस वे यू कैन फाइंड आउट दिस इज द क्वेश्चन ऑफ एडिशन. नाउ वी विल ऐड, चिल्ड्रन, 8 and addition. Again children, how to do the addition? We will add on our fingers which are given. These are naturally, these boxes are given by God to us. That is, we can start counting the number which is given on the top. We can start counting after that number. We have to count up to 4 boxes which is given below. Okay, जो ऊपर नंबर दिया गया है बच्चे, उसके बाद कौन सा नंबर आता है वहां से काउंटिंग स्टार्ट करनी है 9 से. और कितने? 4 बॉक्सेस तक, 9, 10, 11, 12. एंड yes, this is the question of carry over, as there is one more line is there. एक और लाइन दी हुई है 100 प्लेस पे, तो हम इसको कैरी ओवर करेंगे, 1 यहाँ पे आ जाएगा। 1 + 1 2 + 3 5, then 2 + 1 3, and don't forget to write the sign of rupees. And children, very important in statement sum, that you have to write the answer separately with the unit. Rupees 3528 answer. Children, if you will not write this rupee, your 1 mark will be deducted definitely. Okay, so it's very important to write the answer separately. Okay children, now our next question is that is, in a public library there are 536 books on literature, 2508 books on mathematics, and 1253 books on other subjects. Find the total number of books in the library. Now children, second way of writing the statement is, you have to read the last line. Children, what is the question? क्या पूछा है उन्होंने last line में? question क्या है? Find the total number of books in the library. So that means we can start the statement from this. Total number of books he is asking. That means we can write number of books on literature. Okay children, number of books on literature. Okay, then that is 536. Then number of books on mathematics. You can write full word, or you can use these 2 commas. Children, make sure it means when we are writing same word as it is we are writing on the top of that number. If we will read this, what is this? Number of books on. Now our next word is mathematics. That is, we have to write the number which is not same. We have word which is not same. We have to write that word, and it is 2508. Next is books on other subjects. Number of books on other subjects. Okay children, and it is, these are 1253. Where there is no number, you can put 0 just to make it simpler. Otherwise, if you will not put, then also it's okay. Okay, 6 + 8 14 + 3 17, 1 carry over, 1 + 3 4 + 5 9, 5 + 5 10 + 2 12, 1 + 2 3 + 1 4. Now what will be our last line? Find the total number of books. So we will write total. Now children, I am writing number here. If I have the space, and if I have to write here, I will write full number of books, because here it is off. And if I will write total on this side, then I can write simply total number of books. Or if I am writing here total, then how I will write? I will write full word. Total number. It will be small word now, as it is not at the first place. Make sure at the first place, first word should be capital. Total number of books is equal to, should come below equal to only, and we have to write, very important, the answer separately. 4297 books answer. Okay children, this is the very important part of words problem, that is, we have to write the answer separately. Now our next question is question number 3. The question is, at a meeting addressed by a political leader, there were 2649 men, 3259 women, and 837 children. How many people were present at the meeting? Children, you can write number of men, or if you are writing men, then also it's okay. But children, the thing is that if you will be in first standard, if you will write only men, then it will be okay. Now we are in fourth standard, so we have to improve our language also. Okay, so we can improve. It will be number. We have to just simply write number of men is equal to 2649. Then you can write full word also. Make sure if you don't know how to put commas properly, then it's better you write full words. Okay. Then number of women 3000, because children, if you will not put comma properly, then it will be totally wrong. You will not get marks for the statement. Okay. Then number of children, it is 837. Where there is no number, you can put 0. And what will be your last line? That is total people. Total number of people or total people, it's okay. One and the same thing. Okay. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 7, 25. 2 carry over. 2 plus 4, 6 plus 5, 11 plus 3, 14. 1 carry over plus 6, 7 plus 2, 9 plus 8, 17. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6. So children, then again 6745 people answer. Okay children. Now next question is, a cycle factory produced 2851 cycles in year 2010 and 3670 cycles in 2011 and 2895 in 2012. What was the production in these 3 years? Okay children, now from question we can start writing the statement. What is the last line children? Last line क्या है हमारी? What was the production in these 3 years? So we can start with the word production. Okay children. It's very easy way to write the statement. If you want to write in your own wordings, you can start from the last line. You can read the last line properly and you can start with that word. Production of cycles in 2010. It is 2851. Then production of cycles in 2011. It is 3670. Then production of cycles in 2012. It is 2895. And children, don't forget to put the sign of plus. It's very important. The last line will be total production. Okay, 5 plus 7, 12 plus 9, 21, 2 plus 8, 10 plus 6, 16 plus 8, 24, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 3, 7 plus 2, 9. So, what we will write in the answer? 9416 cycles answer. Okay children. Now, our next question is, in an examination, 6,381 boys and 2,954 girls appeared. How many students in all appeared for the examination? Children, you can write in an examination boys, in an examination girls, or you can write number of boys, number of girls. Okay, so now I will dictate, you can listen. Number of boys 6381. Okay, number of girls 2954. Now question is how many students? So we can write total students, okay, or number of students. We can add and we will get 9335. What is that? 9335 students answer. Okay children, I hope the statement is clear to you children. I have not written as it's very simple. I hope now you understood how to write. Okay. Now children, our next question is, in an election there were 3 candidates. The first candidate got these many votes. The second candidates got these many and the third got these many. In all, how many votes were polled? Now, as it is, we can write from the question. You can write children, you can write the from question side, from question line. In all, how many votes were polled? So you can write the first candidate got votes is equal to 2635. Then the second, either you can write full or you can use commas, but make sure it should be properly written. It is 2583. Then the third candidate again got votes is equal to 1307. Then we can write total votes like it is given in the question, polled. Okay, and we can, don't forget to put the sign of plus, and we can add them. 1 plus 3 4 plus 8 12, 7 plus 5 12 plus 3 15, 2 plus 1 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6. So it will be 6525 votes answer. Okay children, now last but not the least, our next question is, a number is 573 more than 8734. एक नंबर है जो, अब इसमें बच्चे मैं बड़े नंबर की जगह पे छोटा नंबर यूज करूंगी, ठीक है। एक नंबर है जो 5 ज्यादा है, 5 इज मोर देन 8, 5 ज्यादा है 8 से, मीन्स what will be the number? That means 8. Okay, I'll take the smaller number. If a number is 2 more than 3, it means 2 plus 3 5. So in this way this question is, children, we will simply add these two numbers and we will get the answer. It's 8734 plus 573. Okay children, and we will get the answer. It will be simply, the number is 9307 answer. I hope it is clear to you children. Thank you.